looks good. So we got 72 inch by 68 inches across. This is a big bed. Hello. Guys, I am trying to install this marine table. So what's the difference between marine table and lagoon table? Table blade. I don't know. They look the same to me. Everything works the same way. I guess the lagoon table blade was the original, and then these aftermarket start to, you know, copied after them, and they work the same way for half of the price. So nowadays, if it works the same, want to save some money, this is what we go with. So unless you want to stick with the lagoon table, which I do have it on my other van. Right, so actually first, these handles, you can put it either way. So if you are right-handed, I'd probably this way. There. My center. Again, if you choose to go with a lighter tabletop, you can. This is a 1 inch, a little bit on the heavy side, but it looks nice. You can get this from Lowe's, 24 by 24. And then I just sand it and spray it, clear coat it so it's waterproof. Now I'm just trying to see which way or how much space I want to, where exactly I want to mount it. Kind of, it's up to you how you want to mount it, as long as it works. Swivel all around. So, kind of work the way, you know, swirl around a little bit. This way, if you're not in use, tie it up, push it this way, and it's enough room clearance for you to walk through here. So table. Try it on. Beautiful. Okay, make sure you don't hit that window. All right. So table is good, nice and smooth. Look at this. Now, just lower it down a little bit, and you can sit right here, 4 people. Okay, you guys, this van is 90% done. We just need to sew these foam cushions up to make the seat. This thing's gonna fill up with this piece, and these are 4-inch foam, high density, very comfortable. Okay, I think 4 inches is good enough. Some people use 3 or 6. Depends on just the space, the room you have, but for us this is 4-inch. It's very good. Okay, so this is it, you guys, for this video. It's gonna be a short video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this build gives you a lot of information, and if you follow along so far, thank you so much. And I think this is it. We're gonna see you at the van tour within a week or so. For now, that's it. We're out. We're here in Southern California. The hurricane is about to, well, it's gonna hit California shore. So we are preparing for it, and we're getting some sandbag because it's gonna be flooded on this yard especially. So we never have any hurricane hit this shore for, I don't know, 80 something years according. So we take this seriously. We are going to get ready. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time.